11 best affiliate programs for beginners to make money. So you will decide to set sail into the profitable world of affiliate marketing. Great for you. If you are just getting started, you may be wondering which types of affiliate marketing programs you would utilize to make some serious money. Perhaps you want to diversify income for a content site that generates revenue through display advertising, or you are looking for ways to monetize your blogging content. Chances are, no matter which industry or niche you happen to set out for, there is an affiliate platform that will fit your needs. To join thousands of other affiliate marketers buying and selling online business on our marketplace, register for a free account here. Here is a quick recap of what affiliate marketing actually is. If you are still in the process of learning what affiliate marketing actually is, it is best that we start at the beginning. Put into simple terms, affiliate marketing is where you sign up with a company or a network. A network being a company that houses multiple offers from different businesses to sell their products or services. You then typically make a commission every time someone either buys something or executes a desired action. These desired actions could include some clicking on a link in your blog to purchase a product on Amazon, or completing an offer from one of the affiliate networks we will cover in this guide. You are then paid a commission when traffic that you generate to the retailer's offer completes a desired action. This money is generally part of the company or affiliate program's online marketing budget. Some of today's most popular business models for these programs includes Amazon affiliate and AdSense. What you get carried away with choosing the best affiliate model for you. It's best to know the exact niche you want to stray towards. Knowing what you will specialize in will give you a course to follow when choosing the program that will offer you the most returning or investment based on your business goals. Before you set out into unknown waters for the first time, it would wise to see it other affiliate marketers and bloggers have already found potential in the same niche. Research whether other WordPress and starter SEO sites within your niche are promoting affiliate products to gauge market demand. It is usually a good sign if there are other affiliates, because you know they would bother if there was not potential to grow revenue. You can also collect their affiliate partner offers into a spreadsheet to use later when you start ranking your own site. How to decide the best affiliate marketing program for beginners? There are a few factors that you need to take into the consideration when choosing the best affiliate program. To start with, the need to looking into each program offers for niche it covers and the quality of both digital products and the physical products they provide. You need to think about whether our websites and social media